Welcome to my channel, Delicious Taste. Today we want to have a funny video for kids because I have my real good helper, my granddaughter.
Hi. What are the ingredients, Pasito?
Okay, the ingredients are 3 eggs, cup of flour, butter, like 2 ounces, and cold water. This is the next step, okay? We want to put some eggs here, right? And we want to beat a little. Okay, good. Then we're gonna mix it all the way. Okay? So we got real good. So we want to put the flour. Let me.
Can I put
Oh, yeah, you put it. It's okay. Go. Go. It's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. All right. Go. Good.
Good?
Enough. Yes.
Now?
Let me beat this, okay?
Okay.
Oh, we have enough.
Yep.
You think so?
Yep. Put it on the top. There you go. Yep.
Good,
That's
huh?
all piece.
You want to flip that, huh? Tooties? Look at
Okay.
that beautiful.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect, huh? Guys, this is the fun part. I want to fold it and leave it for this lady. When she's ready, she's going to make the job for you guys. They show you.
Yes, I am.
All right, Tooties.
Okay.
You fold it like this. And you leave it for ready.
Ready. Decorated. Great.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Good.
Good. Now can I put some this?
Go ahead.
This?
Uh-huh. Anywhere you want. It's your turn. Wow.
Great.
What else? The
Fruit.
fruit?
Fruit. Yeah.
Okay, I want to put the fruit right over here to the right side.
Okay. One blueberry. Blueberries are good. I'm out down where blueberries eating.
Blueberries good for kids, huh?
Yep.
And what else? Strawberries?
Wait. That's not one. You need to make a really dip.
More. Put some more.
Now we need some strawberries.
Wow. I like that one.
Me too.
Wow.
That's
wow.
exciting.
That's what I'm talking about. Go. Put some more.
I need to give it.
You want to have another strawberry on the other side or what?
Yep.
Okay. Wow. I don't think it's there right.
Where do I put it?
Wow. Okay. Good. What else?
This blueberry big. It tastes like strawberry, but it has the strawberry in the butt.
Oh no, it's not what it is.
Good.
It's good. Okay, want me to put some juice on top?
Cheese.
Oh,
Yum.
jeez, man. What else?
I think pink.
Okay, let me mix it a little bit for you. Okay, go ahead.
Where do we press it?
You press like this. You want me to show you? You press like this. Anywhere? Woo!
This one.
You do it. You do it yourself.
Okay.
2 hands. Try. I want to see. Go. Oh. Go. All right.
It's ugly.
What else? How about a little bit more?
Yeah, a little bit more.
You want powder?
Yeah. But that's not powder. It's plain sugar. More juicer.
Let me get a spoon for you.
Look at this. This is good. Oh, this is slow.
Sugar.
And more?
No, it's good.
But we need right here and we need sugar.
You gotta spread it. Okay. Oh, wow. That's good. That's good.
Deal?
Deal.
Now let's finish, but we need something else. This.
Cinnamon. Okay, put cinnamon. On the other side. On the other side. Good.
That's good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.